Hi, we are just following up on some of the questions that were asked to Felix Wang in our recent webinar on how Google runs design sprints. And he did an amazing job of answering questions. And if you'd like to check out the whole webinar, I'm sure we can find a way of putting a link somewhere here. And we had a lot more questions though, an awful lot of questions, and I'm trying to answer a few of those. So I thought I'd try and tackle one again today. And today I'm going to do which are the differences between design thinking, agile, and design sprint methodologies. So this is a question we get asked quite a lot. Quite a few companies have heard about design thinking. Sometimes we get people saying, but we're already doing sprints, but they're not talking about design sprints, they're talking about agile sprints. So what are the differences? And I'm going to try and do this in 1 minute. So let's see how we get on and whether this is possible. So I'm going to start the timer now. So design thinking popularized by IDEO and the D School has been around since the 80s, Agile 2001 manifesto, while design sprints have been at Google 2010, popularized in a 2016 book Sprint. Design thinking is a problem definition framework and problem solving methodology. Agile, it's a project management framework, while design sprints are problem solving methods. So design thinking, loads and loads of tools. Agile, lots of different flavors, while a design sprint is a 5 or 4 day recipe. All highly collaborative with cross-functional teams. Design thinking and design sprints are about rapid prototyping and getting instant feedback, but qualitative. Agile is about rapid feature releases and is more quantitative analysis you're going to be getting. Broad scope for design thinking. Agile is the scopes defined by the team. Design sprints is targeted. Design thinking could be months or years, even open-ended. Agile, you've got the weekly increments and delivery. Design sprints 5 days, very time sensitive. Woo, 1 minute. Okay, that's really probably not enough information for you there. So if you are interested in getting a much more deeper insight into those differences, we've got an excellent article for you, and we'll put a link in somewhere. Okay, and if you like this, let us know and we'll do some more. Thanks, bye.